400 capacity Bossmiller office chair with massage back, tall back. We're going to open the box up, show you what you get inside. Everything is nicely packed as we pull out each individual piece. The chair comes in two colors, dark black and black fabric that this is. We'll give you a close-up look at the fabric. This is the massage pad. We have all the material and parts laid out on the table, the armrests, the plastic caster wheels, heavy-duty L bracket, the piston and cosmetic cover, the bottom frame assembly, the left and right arms, the base seat, and the back seat. The parts and Allen key to put together and the instruction manual. Everything is laid out in the instruction manual of all the parts and the assembly instructions to go over. In this step, we have A, B, 1, and 5, and we're going to install each of the pieces together. We simply slide in, take the bolt with the blue Loctite, place on, adjust and align the screw with the Allen key, lock down all 5 and 10 bolts. As you lock down, the next step will be to put the wheel casters on over here. With an optional drill, set the torque and lock down. With the wheels, place on, use the table and push down. With force, it'll go in and lock into place. The piston, simply place into the hole. The cover goes in one way and opens up and slides on. Move to the side and grab FG2 and 5. Each of the packages are numbered 1, 2, 3, spare. These are numbered 2s. Taking the armrest and the arm handle, place on like so, with the release tab facing this way. With the bolts into the hole and securing down. With the Allen key, start to lock into place. Repeat for the other armrest the same way. A close-up look at locking down. With the base of the seat being the front, place down and to the side, and an armrest, rotate around, on and over, and matching the 2 holes. With the 2 bolts into the aligned holes, and repeat for the other side and lock down both. With an adjustment to the center, lock down. In the next step, J2 and 5, you're going to align correctly to the front. The base attachment. With the 4 bolts number 2 into the holes, lock down. With E, which is a large bracket, 3 holes, The long bolts are 4 for the back seat. You're going to slide on and under and match up the holes with the shorter bolts and start to lock down. Before securing down, adjust to the center. With the back cover, remove the Velcro cover, exposing 4 holes, sockets. Place in a bolt on the opposite sides. Lift up, adjust on, start to screw down a bolt on each and gently screw down. And finish off with the other 2 bolts by attaching and locking all down. Once secured down, fold the cover and cover up. Your last step is the base with the casters and wheels. Match up, place on, secure down. With the option of the lumbar support, you have a strap clipped, wrap around, and locks into place. With an optional 5-volt brick, your massager is ready to be used. Without the massager pad on, the black chair is fully assembled. As you can see, fabric, black, cloth, with adjustable arms that go up and down, and the chair that rocks back and forth with an adjustable tension bar in the front, as well as raising and lowering your chair. The chair capacity is up to 400 pounds, reaching to underneath to lessen the tension. You're able to rock back and forth. It goes back to a incline all the way back. We'll take some measurements and show you what the chair is about. So we have the chair at this highest raised angle, and from the very top is 24 inches. The chair lowered measures 21 plus inches. From the arm measures 26 inches low, 29 inches high. From the floor to the top of the chair is 48 inches on low. At its fullest height measures 49 inches. From inside to inside arm measures 22 inches, and the base of the chair alone measures from the front 22 inches, as well as the back 22, 23 inches, give or take. From the top, 21 inches. From the back, 21 inches. The actual color is a gray, dark. They call this black. It's got its contoured shapes all around to fit the body. A capacity of up to 400 pounds. With the chair and tension leans all the way back and straight up, 85 degrees to 90. The back massaging pad measures 14 by 12 and a half. Their overall depth and thickness is up to 7 inches. And the actual arm measures 5.5 inches by 12 inches about, and the thickness 2 inches. And last but least, the actual seat 6 inches in depth. For work table areas, it fits underneath nicely. For moderate sized desks, it fits under and out. as you can sit in the chair, raise and lower to the height you need, and do your work behind the desk. I hope you enjoy the chair for your computer and reclining needs. This is a chair that leans far back, a rocking chair for your comfort needs. A chair that's adjustable in height and arm's height length. Enjoy your chair if this is what you are looking for.